Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Maulan and I'm here to present my capstone project for group 3 for web design and development. So here is our project about which is about easy rides. So from this using this application uses this website, like user can buy a ride and also give a ride to the needy person. So like we have our different menus, like we have home button, then we have about us, on which we have like our services and what is the basic uh, concept of creating this application, which is to save the environment, as due to the day-to-day increase of population and the pollution, the environment is being affected. So this is the from the easy ride you can like save the environment by sharing the rights. We also have articles which have like different articles which will be better updated in the next phase. We also have accounts for the users to log in and register. For the users who don't have any account or who are coming for the first time can register here. Like they can choose a photo for their files. Also they can choose the banner. They can use their username, their password, their first name, their last name, their email ID, also their phone number, date of birth, their address, and postal code, and they can hit the log register button to register. Also, they can log in if they are already a user by clicking here, or from the home page itself, creating the login. They can use their email ID and password. Also, they can choose the login type like customer admin, and they can log in. Here we have like a default one for our like demo purpose, and we can also add it in that, like we can add it and save. Also, we have options of ride, which is you can choose your destination and your the ride you want from, like the street and the destination. Also you can search, you can add a ride, like from where to where, on which date, also the timing, and you can also enter your contact number so that a person who is like willing to contact you for the ride can contact you, and you can log out from there. So thank you, which is here is the basic presentation of the group 3.